Hello, so I have a 2018 DCT non-tour. Love my bike. And I had the check engine light come on. So I'm going to show you what that looks like from here. So I've got the key fob turned on, turned to the accessory mode. And usually all the gauges or the warning lights come on. I'm sorry about the reflection there. Let's do this at an angle. Turn off the radio. And now we're going to start it. So I'm just going to start with a switcher. There it is. So hill start assist is on. ABS stays on until you start moving. There's my check engine light. Over here to the mileage. 15,113 miles on it. This came on while I was riding. Runs fine. So it revs good, shifts fine. It's able to select the different tour modes, driving modes. And shut it off. And there you go. So I've made an appointment. Today's September 24th. Made an appointment at the local dealership for service. First they can get me in is October the 19th. So now the dilemma is to ride or not to ride. So everything's normal. Runs fine. Like this, like I showed you, starts fine, revs fine, shifts fine. Oil level is good. So stay tuned, I guess. I'll take it in on the 19th. Oh, and there's no way to reset that check engine light without it being hooked up to their shop computer. So there you go. I'm just kind of stuck. Just in case it was something intermittent, there's no way I can turn it off to see if the warning light would come back on again. So stay tuned. More to come.